Hi, I'm old Sneelock. I'm back from the trip to the dentist. Nice, shiny white teeth. Well, they're not perfect, but they're in better shape than they were. And it's all about taking care of your tools, right? So I'm back in the backyard looking at the acid etching on the screws just to see what's going on. The sulfuric acid is still bubbling. The vinegar is slowed way down. And I've noticed that there's a few bugs in the sulfuric acid and one in the, two of them in the vinegar. I thought that'd be more attractive. Good news is, Myers boxes, they're not affected by sulfuric acid at all. Not a problem. And of course, the glass bottle is doing just fine. You can see through it, but not really well. But the sulfuric acid is bubbling away on this test piece. So I think I'm going to leave these sit overnight. I want to give them a good long time to work. It doesn't look like it's doing anything major to them. I'm going to pull them out of there in about an hour and take a look at them and see what's going on. It's just about 4:15 right now. I think we got a good process going here. I don't know how well it's going to end up, but we'll see soon. Gonna leave these sit overnight, see if they can do anything. I am going to check them about an hour. I want to pull them out of the bath and get a look at that thread just to make sure it's not eaten away already. So, hang out. We'll be back. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.